I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio YouTube, www.globalfxradio.com, YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, with today's 11/11/08 Market Wrap-Up Show. You're looking at the dollar index right now, and what a move in the dollar index. Can you say explosion? Can you say the train is leaving the station? The plane has cleared the tower. It's time to get on board, all you Momo freaks. I gotta tell you, the way the dollar index closed, it looks like we are going higher. Higher and higher, baby. Looking real good. Gold down, oil down, commodity currencies look like they want to get smoked tonight. Oh, baby. You take a look at some of these charts, they look very, very bad. Cable dollar cannot even rally. But again, the economic numbers out of Eurozone were pretty good, actually. German zoo better. London trade balance better. But again, we got plenty of numbers coming out tonight. They're going to be horrible. Claimant count change out of London should probably be horrible. And industrial production out of Eurozone, given the German zoo, maybe it's a little better, but I don't think so. That's going to be terrible. But this dollar index, look how pretty that chart looks. What a breakout. To the moon, Alice. We might get to 95. I mean, this euro dollar really might get to that 50% long-term retracement we're going to look at in a second of 121.50. But look at this dollar index. There's really nothing. Nothing. And if you measure the move, which is what I love to do, we went from 88 down to 84, let's say. That means 92 on a big move higher. Oh, baby. You heard me. 92 on dollar index. Euro dollar. Let's take a look at the daily chart there. Again, major spot, terrible close, worst close we've had in 2 weeks. Okay, the euro dollar now looks like it wants to melt down. I'll tell you what, we come in like this. I mean, look at this support getting breached. The only support I have here really is back in 2006 on May. That's at 121. That's the only support I see. I'd love for someone else to tell me where they see support, because I don't see any. And again, looking at my big long-term Fibonacci, which we do, which I spoke to you plenty about in the past. Okay, we do a fib from the lows back in 2001 to the highs of this year, and we got a 121.32, 50% retracement. The golden retracement is 112. Can you imagine the euro at 112? Boy, Jean-Claude Trichet would certainly be hemming and hawing and freaking out then, huh? Wow. So the euro dollar absolutely looking terrible. We zoom in again. There's a horrible close. Okay, even the hourly is flagging to the downside. It just looks like any rally should be short. Listen, turnaround Tuesday didn't happen. I took a shot. I did. Stock market rallied late in the session. How about that move of the euro and euro yen? It exploded 150 pips. I lost a little money for the banking on a late day turnaround Tuesday. It didn't happen. And you know what? Now that it didn't happen, now we're getting back to short again, baby. Dollar yen daily chart. It looks like this baby is time to get smoked. Dollar yen has been futzing around now since yesterday at 11 o'clock in a 50 pip range. You take a look at this dollar yen, downward sloping channel. Ah, damn it. Downward sloping channel. Looking terrible. And I got to tell you, it looks like 97 is in the cards. Absolutely. Dollar yen looks like it wants to collapse. So daily chart dollar yen not looking very good. Again, under 97.50. Really now, we breached it and came back. So it really faked people out, including myself. But again, we break back down. It looks like 97 written all over it, maybe even lower. Dollar yen, time to play a little catch up, dollar yen, baby. And the carry trade looks like it's going to get killed. 97 is a price target for tonight, minimum. And it's amazing how well it held up all day, dollar yen. Watch, it'll just melt down Asia like butter, like today never even happened. Sterling dollar on the daily chart just looks horrible. Sterling yen getting killed late in the session, killed. And again, looking at the sterling dollar on the daily chart, I mean, it's going to really approach the lows. I can't believe it. We're getting damn close, people. Let's look at a 10-year chart. Amazing. Means the Aussie's probably going to go for its lows. That's 500 pips away from making new lows. So I think this Aussie, even though it was down a nice 200 pips today, this baby's due to really get crushed. Dollar Canada continues to look great. I mean, look at this. We're gonna take out the lows. I just cannot believe this cable. Say hello to 150. Say hello to maybe even 145 on sterling dollar. Hey, listen, I'll change my bias in a New York freaking minute if it takes to make money. I don't care. I don't care about being wrong, people. I care about making money. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Euro sterling. Even in the face of a euro sterling reversal, cable still acts terrible. That goes to show you how poor sterling actually is and in bad shape. Euro sterling once again having these massive wicks on both sides. Look at this. We got up to that 82.20 level like we thought it would, only to roll right back down. Unbelievable. Coming in, again, I think it pushes higher. Not a bad close, not a great close, not a massive reversal like I would have been very bearish if we closed under 81. That would have been some outside day. Then you would have gotten me to be very bearish. But given that, no, euro sterling, looks like it's going to grind higher, but I got to tell you, probably pull in. I'd rather buy the pullbacks, but tough looking chart. Euro sterling looks at the top of the channel. Would not be surprised to see it come in, but we take out 82.20 and look out to the moon. Out to the moon. I love this. Australian dollar rallied almost 100 pips from the lows. I think that gets breached tonight. I love this Aussie dollar. Dollar Canada, I think that baby's going to 123. Looking at the euro yen chart on a daily basis, look at that. Rolling over. Rolling the hell over. This looks like death. Euro yen just looks horrible. Horrible. Taking out that hammer, closing below the hammer, that 122.50 that Dennis Gartman spoke about. Oh, it's ugly. I got to tell you, we got clear sailing down to 119, 120, easy, 119.50. That inside day here, 119. So let's look at the hourly chart even on euro yen. Again, watch that euro sterling pair because that's going to dictate which one's the relative strength winner and loser. But again, look at that, flagging to the downside. We couldn't even have a V bottom. We didn't V bottom, people. That means no rally. No soup for you. Got people, those of you that are trying to pick these bottoms, we don't need rally. I can understand if we V bottom, like here and here, then sure we could have a rally. We did not V bottom. That only means one thing. Bye-bye. Drill to the freaking core, baby. It's over. Very, very bearish. With the close today, stock market didn't have a turnaround Tuesday. It is looking very, very bad. Muy, muy malo. Okay, sterling yen. Again, at the precipice of 150, major spot. Can you say 145? Where's the support? Maybe support at the 147 level. But this looks terrible. Terrible. I mean, as much as I want to say buy it, forget about it. This looks terrible. And that's the hourly chart. Let's get rid of these lines and see what we got. Delete all lines. Yada, yada, yada. Daily chart. Joe, what are you eating up? Say it's expensive getting your dog fixed. It's going to be $450 to get Jojo fixed. That's a lot of money. What he never knows won't hurt him. All right, 50 seconds to go. Look at this. Under 150, it's over. Look how bad this chart looks. We are going to probably drill down. Oh, no, come on. Here we go. We are going to drill down easy to 147. All right, people, make some money tonight. I think we reversed. I know, listen, Asia was crazy last night. We rallied, right? The carry trade exploded only to roll the hell over in Europe. It's going to get nasty tonight. Stock market couldn't rally. No bottom, no soup for you. Andrew Spanton, continued dollar strength and carry trade weakness. Love that Aussie dollar short. Have a good night. Make some money. Make me proud. info@globalfxradio.com with any questions, and try me out for a week, people. It'll be a big difference to you.